about you all the time. Staring back at me, what do you find? When I'm with you, I feel free. Do you feel the same for me? Because I think about you all the time. I can't seem to see through this disguise. When I'm with you like me, but away I feel empty. I want you bad, but we pick and we fight, thinking it's okay. I've been dreaming about you, but it's all in my head. I've been frozen, smelling the roses, though the thorns they're freaking explosive. In my life I need me to be wiser. See all the lies show to me. Still think about you all the time. One day I won't need this disguise, but through this white lens I am blind. I just need some peace of mind.
I'm tryna find my own home, but all I've been seeing is damage. I'm tryna rest in my soul, but all I've been facing is havoc. You came to the girl up lavish, but the man don't know what happened. Too pain, so I just keep laughing. Too much pain and I just keep asking. Why the pain, why her love? All I've been getting is hate. In the mess of what I'm losing faith, tryna find my way. Then I realize the only one to blame. Can't let this heart go black and fall to say. So I take a breath and clear my head. Won't let this don't leave me for dead when I save a last and lay in bed. Only God knows that I'm doing my best. So I plant flowers in these death beds so I can. Yeah, yeah.
eyes when we go around. Me and my guys are the ride when we hear the sound. So much potential in this city is I lost and found. Cause I see a bigger move when we together now. I love Philly sound, but I don't see the exchange. There's very few old heads who make a leap in the game. And I want us to grab a book and start flipping the page. Cause we got so much potential, let's put our egos away. Let's just start stacking bricks, build something different, to pull out a big bag of tricks. Cause I know the city got a lot of activists, and actresses, and leaders who are constantly asking this. Cause I know that we got this, it's just to run up the score. This ain't even a race, who do you do it for? We all carry burdens like a U-Haul. I really just do this for you all.
Stand up and unite us. Stay positive and spread good vibes out. They keep your chin up, celebrate
White night in the driveway, white girl, white life, everything's going my way. Ivory tower, ignorance is bliss. We're taught not to associate and fall into the abyss.
I know what you're thinking, like all the stuff that we go through is like, y'all think it's like out of our control, but is it really? You just gotta see it from a different perspective.
We so different but the same, I understand all of your pain. It's like shackles on the wrist and you just pulling on them chains. Never play the victim, don't let them talk in your name. Cause y'all don't know how much power y'all got up inside of them veins. Never stay in your lane, that's what they crave. They want you to stay boxed in from your birth to your grave. I ain't trying to come at y'all, but the system murdered your brains. And I'm saying all these things so we can grow up like the springs.
Yeah, I know that's what they want, and I know the tension feeling. Never really knew to the pain that I felt. Never judge my heart, just a skin I'm possessing. Even my appearance makes all their hearts trap. Yeah, I know that's what they want, and I know the tension feeling. Never really knew to the pain that I felt. Never judge my heart, just a skin I'm possessing. Even my appearance makes all their hearts trap.
Find yourself first in this lifetime. I know that it hurts, but it takes time. I don't want you to change to the wrong side. I know what y'all could be, and I can't lie. And I know I know y'all wanna feel free from these barren thoughts, but it's not just up to me, it's just up to y'all. Stuck inside this loop, let's grab our pens and hop inside this room and write it off, cause the flower's inside of you.
Just give me some more time so I can play my part, and I don't want my thoughts to fly to the place where my heart isn't. Don't ever say that I'm perfect compared to those that you resent.
Yeah, I know that's what they want, and I know the tension feeling. Never really knew to the pain that I felt. Never judge my heart, just a skin I'm possessing. Even my appearance makes all their hearts trap. Yeah, I know that's what they want, and I know the tension feeling. Never really knew to the pain that I felt. Never judge my heart, just a skin I'm possessing. Even my appearance makes all their hearts trap. They'll define who I am,
But that's not who you are,
they'll make me program,
and make you play your part.
but I know I got you.
Yeah, you know you got me.
So let us help one another, and we'll both be free. outside. They keep your sin of celebrate.
I remember trying to play on both sides of the fence. Say the grass is always greener, but the flowers are better green. And both seen the fires, but together we lit. We done seen all the darkness, not a lie that commences. Fighting, so exciting it gets to capture lightning when riding. I can do the right thing, yeah, I'm trying to get to newer heights, and I think that we'll hit better places coming from the elevated section 80s and the separation. See, we could destroy the devastation. College registrating, see us arm in arm, it's liberating. We are renovating, doing something crazy and amazing.